10 minutes north of what road?
Lon Miley.
Thank you.
What the hell?
49, triple 1098.
10-49.
Pull over. 28. 10-428. One of them's a GMC pickup truck. Still on the shoulder. There's another vehicle that's in the low one.
Pull over right now.
22-25.
Section 106 down. 106.
Hey! Pull that over!
What?
Pull that off the road!
What?
Pull that thing off the road!
I'm 1097 on that 20. Notify Gretna. This is going to be for the Crescent City Connection Police Department.
What are you doing?
I'm just going down to I'm having a party at my buddy Jimmy's house.
Just get off. Get up here.
It's not.
28.
Spread your feet out. I ain't got time for stuff like this. Spread your feet
28.
out.
Man, I know my rights. I don't
Have a script of the vehicles?
wrong here.
28.
Come on, man. God dang it! I know my rights.
I don't
I
care.
mean, just give me a fucking stick. God dang it!
Stop resisting.
Dang it! Oh man, come on, man. Man, I got 100-foot extension cord holding these things together.
I don't care. We're gonna roll you over and we'll get up.
Ah! I know my rights.